Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox problem reaching our servers. First, we are going to search for View Network Connections. Let's open this up, and we are going to right click on the connection that you're currently connected to. For example, I have this one, and click on Disable. And wait for a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and right click on it again, and click on Enable. After that, let's right click on our connection again and let's go to properties. From here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and let's go to its properties. And we are going to select to use the following DNS server addresses. And for the preferred DNS server, we are going to type in 8888. And for the alternate DNS server, we are going to type in 8844. For that, just click on OK and let's close these windows. Now let's go to settings and we are going to select network and internet. And from the options at the left, you are going to go to our VPN. And if you're connected to any VPN, disconnect from your VPN connection. And let's close this one and let's open up our browser. And let's click on the three dotted icon at the top right and let's go to settings. From here, we are going to go to privacy and security from the options at the left. And we are going to click on delete browsing data. And we are going to click on third-party cookies. And we are going to click on site settings. Now let's open up our browser and click on the three dotted icon at the top right. And let's go to settings. From here, we're going to click on privacy and security from the options at the left. And we are going to go to site settings. And from here, let's click on view permissions and data stored across sites. And at the top right part, we are going to search for Roblox. And then click on the delete icon right in line with it. And click on delete once again. You can then try opening Roblox again and see if that solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.